about how trees grow up. First we put some seed, then sprinkle of water. Then
After some days,
it will grow up.
what grows in the soil? First, roots.
First stage is root. Then it will grow up. Then we see
A baby plant growing.
a baby plant growing.
Then,
Then
yes, where is the big plant?
here is big plant.
Alright.
And what are the foods of a plant? What does a plant need to grow? What three things they need?
Sunlight,
Yes.
water,
Very good.
soil.
Very nice. Very